Yo, what's really good? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie coming to you with another review. Now you know what time it is, man. We got the two-piece hat club special, man. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these and give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned.
Club got me dripping. Pink brim when you see me. Blue brim when you see me. Red brim when you see me. I'm litty. And I be holding down the city. I'm litty. I be holding down the city.
All right, welcome back, man. Let's go ahead and get into it. Now we got box number one right here. You know what time it is. I got my trusty box cutter, man. So it's time to slice it down the middle. Peel it back. You know, say it with me. Peel it back. Peel back gang. We are out here, man. Peel back gang, man. We are really out here. What we got? Okay, we got pack and slip. We have our Hat Club exclusive pin right here. We got the Hat Club exclusive, man. This is just your standard pin. Let me go ahead and pop this thing open real quick, man. This is that bronze, you know, that bronze slash what do you call this? Bronze or gold or whatever. But anyway, this is it. Hold on, let's see if we can get a little look at it. But this is your standard pin. You know, you got the rubber back on that joint, man. Now let's go ahead and get into the hat. Yes, sir. Let's take a look at this. Right here, we have the Toronto Blue Jays. The Toronto Blue Jays. I believe this was the Peacock pack, man. And I just really like this hat, man. It had a gang of colors, man. You can't go wrong. The more colors means the more options you have to match with it. You feel me? So let's get into this, man. We got the Toronto Blue Jays. On this front, you have a somewhat of a royal blue. You also get that purple, and you get some pink, man. So you get three main colors to really hit on the front of this hat, man. And like I said, that's one of the reasons why I like the Blue Jays. You always get another pop of color. A couple of other hats that were really good from this collection were the Angels. The Angels was some fire, man. And the Atlanta Braves, they were both like some heat. But what they were missing to me was that purple element, man. And so I got a lot of purple in the closet, so I wanted to make sure I grabbed something that showed a little bit of purple since it was an option. And if you take a look, it does have that flat logo right there. We have the flat Toronto Blue Jays logo. Let's go ahead and look at the side right here. We have a side patch, the 10th anniversary side patch. Very nice. You know, this isn't one of my favorite patches, but it's a really clean patch, especially when you go for the Blue Jays. You know, there are only a couple patches you get when you mess with the Blue Jays, and I mess with the Blue Jays heavy, as you probably already know. So the 10th anniversary patch, it's a good look, man. On the back, we do have that flat Batterman logo with that blue and also that forest green. Now, if you look at the hat, we have a full forest green hat. We have the new era flag in that same forest green, you know, forest green button top. Let's look at this bottom. Pause. We got that blue. We got that blueberry bottom right here, man. And it's actually a little bit lighter than the blueberry. Like, it's not that super royal, but it's like a light royal blue. So it's not super heavy on the blue, but it matches up perfectly with your side patch as well as the feathers on the Blue Jays head, man. Look at the inside. We got a white sweatband. You know, as we approach, you know, this spring, summertime, man, the white sweatbands, I feel like they're going to do more and more of the white sweatbands, because that just gives you more that summer type vibe. You feel me? So let's take a quick look at this. We have our hat size. We have the new era. And then we also have the Cooperstown collection. And look, the hat is made in China. So that's a good thing for me, man, because I always like the hats to be made in China as opposed to the Bangladesh. The Bangladesh always run a little bit big for me, and that's just for me. So hopefully, let's see, man. Let's go ahead and try this joint on. Take this off. Yep, just how I like it, man. See? That fit is good, man. We got a good fit alert, man. So let me go ahead and give you some of this. Let me go ahead and turn to the side. Give you some of that side patch shot right there. Now look, this is one of them hats, man, where to be honest, it's so many colors and it's so much going on. You don't even really need to have like a super standout type of shirt. You can go with a white t-shirt and really let this hat be the star, because I mean, that's what it is. You throw on some shorts with a little purple in it and you can coordinate that way. But let me show you what I would wear with this hat right here. And right here, I have on an H&M t-shirt, man. And the reason why I picked this shirt is because it has that green, you know, the green from the leaves. And I feel like that ties in well with the color of the hat, man. Also, you know, you got that pink in the blue jay. You get a little bit of that pink in the bird right here, man. It's only right. You got the blue jays, you got the birds here, man. And birds of a feather flock together, man. So I went ahead and went with this shirt. But like I said, man, in the spring and summer, I'm probably going with like a white t-shirt, throwing on some Nike woven shorts, man. That's just gonna hit on one of these colors, probably the royal blue joints, you feel me? And just go from there, man, because the hat is doing a lot. So I don't really want to take too much away from the hat, but I did want to show you something where if I was to go out at night or it feels like more in the evening, I'll wear a darker colored shirt like this, man. But let's go. We got box number 2, man. And just, man, shout out to the Peelback Gang once again, man. We're at 2,000 subscribers, man. So like I said, Peelback Gang is only getting bigger, man. And I do have a giveaway, and it's going to kind of tie into this just a little bit, man. So y'all, you know, stay focused, man. Stay with me. We're going to go ahead and slice it down the middle. We're going to peel it back. We are going to peel it back, man. Whew. Let's go. Let's go. Pack and slip. You know what time it is, man. It's about time. We got another JaeTips right here, man. Now look. We have the JaeTips in that infrared, man. The classic infrared. You know his colors, man. He got that purple, he got that infrared. So I got the LA right here, man. We got a size 7 1/8. The LA in the infrared, man. And I'm just now getting this, man. Look, it's been at least about 14, 15 days since I bought this hat, and it just touched down, man. It just touched down. But I don't want to say, I'm not sure if that's like a hat club processing thing, or if that's the post office just going crazy with the mail, man. But yeah, man, it's finally here. We got the infrared, man. We got the infrared JaeTips, man. 75th World Series right there. This is one of the coldest patches out, just because it's a big patch, but then you also get the royal blue in there. You also get that green in there, man. Icy blue bottom, man. You know what time it is, man. We get that JaeTips. The infrared goes with the icy, man. It's like peanut butter and jelly now. He didn't put that stamp together and it's working, man. We got the all white sweatband. We got the Cooperstown. We got the new era, and then we have the hat size. Let's go right ahead and see, man. We got another made in China, man. So this, man, I'm happy about this, man, because like I said, the made in China hats, they just tend to fit me very well, man. Now the Bangladeshis, that's a different story, you feel me? But yeah, I'm happy to finally have it in my possession, man. It hit me for the 50 bucks, man. But if you've seen the prices of the JaeTips lately, man, they going for like 200 bucks, man. And I don't know, man, but if you got one, you know, props to you, man. If you don't have one just yet, try to wait for the hype to die down, man. But I feel like the price is only gonna go up, man. But for me, I'm gonna wear my joints. You know, that's just what I do, man. But let me go ahead and take this off. Let me go ahead and throw the JaeTips Infrared LA. Yes, we have another good fit, man. I like it like that. Let me go ahead and give you some of this. Let me turn to the side, give you some of that side patch shot. Now look, man, we have a giveaway. I gotta do a giveaway, man. Like I said, we hit 2,000 subscribers, man. So it's only right, man. Actually, I'm gonna have a couple of giveaways, but this first giveaway, it ties into this hat, okay? It ties into this hat. So if you got it, I mean, this giveaway is gonna be right up your alley. Pause, you feel me? But look, let me first show you what I will wear with this. And so this right here is something that I will wear with this hat. We have the Nike t-shirt, man. It's that white. It has that infrared hot lavish color, man. And this logo right here, if you don't know, is for Nadal, the tennis player. Rafa Nadal, man. He one of the greats as far as tennis is concerned. And they came out with this shirt, man. And here, this is where we get to the giveaway, man. So I bought 2 of this shirt, man. So I got a size medium and I got a size large. Now I'm gonna keep the medium, man, but I am gonna give away the size large. Right here we got the brand new Nike Rafa Nadal tee, man. As you can see, it matches up with the infrared JaeTips hat perfectly. You feel me? Let me go ahead and give you a quick look at this. Hopefully you can see the size, but it is a size large. You still got the sticker on it. You know, it's brand new. And if you look at the back, it has Rafa 86. You feel me? It has that Nike tennis logo on the back, man. So this is just a really clean shirt, man. If you have this hat, we still got the tag on this bad boy too. So if you have this hat, man, this is like one of those perfect matchups, you feel me? One of those perfect ways to coordinate. Now you probably like, man, look, but what if I'm not a size large? Well, look, if you ain't a size large, man, you know, you gonna know somebody it is, man. Give it to your homeboy, give it to your girl, maybe she can sleep in it, man. But this is the giveaway, man. I'm giving away the Nike t-shirt, man. What you need to do is just go to my Instagram, man, The Official Ace. Go there. I posted a reel. All you have to do is share that. Put it on your story. You don't need to put it on your timeline forever. You know, put it on your story for one day. Make sure you tag me. I'm gonna put you down in the giveaway, man. We're gonna spin that wheel, and whoever gets it, man. But hopefully it's somebody that has this hat so y'all can get y'all coordination on as well. Cause you know, Peelback Gang is all about, you know, opening up new boxes, man, new packages. You know, that feeling that you get, it's A1. It don't really compare, man. So yeah, go ahead, enter that giveaway, man. Go ahead on my Instagram page. It's a reel. Repost that to your story, man. Tag me so I can see it. Once I see it, I'm gonna go ahead and write your name down. We'll probably give it about a week. So, you know, the people that hopped on early and people that hopped on late can all get opportunity. So we'll give it about 1 week, man. But somebody's getting this shirt, man. And like I said, I have another giveaway, which is gonna be for anybody. You feel me? It'll probably be, most likely, it'll be a duffel, a Hat Club duffel or something like that, whatever I see on the site, man. But yeah, go ahead and like this video, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Tell a friend to tell a friend, man. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.